My name is David Marshall, and I've been the band director for the past 12 years. The reason that I continue to use the band app for all of our music organizations is because I want to have one place where all of our communication lies to make sure that parents and students alike that are trying to get information for all of our multiple ensembles, that they have one place to go so that we don't have to worry about sending separate emails or posting on social media. It's really convenient to have everything in one app.
I love the reminders and how it reminds me about rehearsal 24 hours notice. It helps keep track of my schedule and which day I have what, along with the calendar, so I can visually see it.
Very often when I put a post out, I will also take a look to see if people have looked at it. So if I say everybody needs to bring their drill masters to the next rehearsal, and I look through at those re-notifications and I say, oh, well, student A, B, and C didn't look at this, I need to send them a private chat.
When I first got the band app on my phone, I wasn't really sure how it was gonna go. I didn't know what it had or any of the features, but I realized that it was everything that I possibly needed. It was the calendar, it was the photo albums, it was where all of my schedules were gonna be posted and what I was gonna be using to kind of keep track of everything. It really has made my life so much easier.
When I get feedback from the students, it's gratitude in that the information comes to them quickly and they understand where to get it.
Since I don't have everyone's phone number, it's easier just to reach out on the band app and private message them. And of course, I love seeing all the photos and looking back on the memories from 2 seasons ago or my first season to now.
The biggest thing for me was if I want to communicate directly to the students or to the students and their parents, I don't need that to be public information that anybody can access. So the privacy of using that, and also the privacy for me not having to give out my personal information, but to still have 24/7 access to students and parents.
My parents love it. That's since I'm never home, that's also how they can see what's been going on and what I've been doing with all the photos. And then Mr. Marshall can post updates and post our performances at competitions, so they get to just see everything that's happening almost live.
Remember, we've done a lot of great work this year, and it really is about your best performance for the seniors. Being that it's their last concert performance, we want to make it as great as possible, right? And how about a round of applause for all of our seniors? And throughout the 4 years, it's just really inspiring to see how far they can come. For us, it's really rewarding to look back nostalgically on how much the seniors have achieved from when they first got here 4 years ago to now. And so that's what's really important. Band makes being a band director more fun.